Weekend is officially over, but I want you guys to take a look at this. I generated over $879.20 in the last 2 days this weekend. On this affiliate program over here, I generated €76.78 plus an extra $40 this morning so far. All I've been doing is I've been utilizing subscription-based affiliate programs that pay a monthly passive income. So this weekend, while I was relaxing with the family, while I was chilling and doing my own thing, I was able to earn just over $1,000 literally while doing nothing. And that is the beauty of passive income with affiliate marketing. The best part is you don't need to have your own website. You don't need to go out there and look for any traffic of your own. You don't need to record any content. This does not include posting on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube. Take a look at this. I sent out this email address over here and earned over $429 doing so. In today's video, I've created a customized tutorial for beginners that want to get started with this and start off earning passive income with affiliate marketing, like the strategy that I'm using over here. Now, I don't want to give a couple of disclaimers. In the beginning, you might not be earning thousands of dollars a day. You start off small. When I started with a $20 sale, maybe a $30 sale a day, and it was not wealthy income, but it was good income to live off of and expand my affiliate marketing business at the same time. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start off small and scale over time with the strategy. I want to keep this video as realistic as possible because most of you starting won't have the size email list that I have starting off. But I'm going to show you what I did when I was in the beginning, had 0 people in my email list, starting from scratch, and how I've scaled to close to $1,000 a day affiliate marketing business. Do not stress if you don't understand much now. I'm going to be holding your hand throughout this entire process in this video and show you the step-by-step process that I use to get started and scale my $1,000 a day affiliate marketing business. And there's 2 main ways that you can go about this. So I want to show you a little bit of an analytic over here. This is my all-time analytics for the past month in my email marketing, affiliate marketing business. So over here, I had a total of 70,000 clicks on all of my emails, which had a conversion rate of $4,800 in the last month, just by sending emails passively. So every single email that I send, if I show you over here, for example, just wait for this to load. Not every email makes money, but I usually send out an email on a daily basis. I've got some that earn $29, $58, $58. A couple on the other pages had $200 days, the $400 day, $300 day. So it starts to really add up over time. Those $29 sales, $50 sales, then 1 or 2 days you get a big $400 or $500 sale, which is the couple of sales I had this weekend. And I'm going to show you how you can go and set this up and use this tool completely for free. And I'm also going to show you how you can go and use email lists of other affiliate marketers out there by paying them a small fee and literally copying and pasting them to your own email list, which you've now got an audience which you can monetize in various different ways with various different email sequences. Assuming most of you don't have an email list to start off with this, how can you actually make money with this? Well, that's where I'm going to help you and actually show you how to go and pay other affiliate marketers a small fee to go and copy and paste their email lists to your own email list and make money like I did this weekend without even having to promote or pay for ads and wait weeks and months for your email list to grow, and how you can nearly skip that process and do it instantly. The first step in a successful affiliate marketing business is you need to go and find a product. And once you've found a product, stick to that product and that product only. Don't go jump around promoting multiple products at the same time. It's going to confuse your audience. Your audience is not going to know exactly what you're promoting. So I'm going to give you 2 of my most successful affiliate programs that I've ever promoted. So over here, I've got Builderall.com, which I've earned over $10,000 in the last 2 months. I've got Kartra.com, which I've earned $11,000 this month on this affiliate program. And these 2 tools are very similar in the same niche. Now, what I love about these tools and why I recommend promote these, and when you choose a product, go and look for products that have a subscription-based program. So that means you will actually get a commission of every single lead every single month for the rest of your life, instead of a once-off commission that only gets paid out once. I would rather much get a payout of $30 a month for 10 years than have a $300 commission once off. That $300 a month for one person adds up. Let's say you refer 5 people your first month. Now you've got 5 people paying you $30 a month, and you refer 5 people the next month. Now you've got 10 people paying you $30 a month. Let's say you refer 5 people to your affiliate program every month for a year, you've now got between 20 and 30 people paying you $30 every single month, which adds up to a 4-figure income, literally passively, while you eat, sleep, and do nothing. Over the years, let's say for the first 5 years, you get 1,000 people to your affiliate program doing this. You now have 1,000 people paying you $30 a month. So let's go and calculate that. That's $30,000 a month in just a 5-year business. Now, before you know it, you're making 5 figures a month. So that's why a subscription-based affiliate program is very easy to scale, very easy to keep track of, very easy to manage, and very easy to make passive income. This is my secret with affiliate marketing. I've literally revealed an affiliate marketer's secret to you here that a lot of people sell in $1,000 courses. So to go and get started with these particular products, you can come over to builderall.com. You can come over to Kartra.com. My preferred tool is definitely builderall.com, specifically with the affiliate program, is because if I come over to the plans, they actually give you, just gonna come over to plans again. They actually give you, while this loads, 100% commission your first month and 30% every month thereafter. So for example, if you refer someone to the marketer plan at $69.90, you're gonna get $69.90 your first month from your referral, 100% commission. They're giving you full 100% commission, which I've never seen a product like that. And every month thereafter, you're gonna earn 30% of this. So let's go and multiply this by 30%. That is now $20 or $21 coming to your account every single month for the rest of your life. Same thing with the premium and the funnel plan over here and the cheetah plan. You will get 100% commission your first month and 30% every month thereafter. With Kartra, however, you get a set fee of 40% every single month. But these plans are a little bit more expensive because Kartra is more of a premium tool to Builderall. So for example, if you refer someone to the $499 package, which is the platinum package, $499 times 40% is now $200 a month that you're making from this program from one lead. Let's say you've got 20 people referred to your platinum plan in the first year, which is very achievable for beginners. Let's go $499 times 20. That is now $9,980. Let's just multiply this by 40%, which is now $3,992 coming to your account every single month just off the platinum plan passively while you do nothing. My Kartra affiliate program mostly has starter, silver signups. I've got a few gold and I've got a few platinum signups, but the majority of people sign up under the silver and starter package, which is still a good income. 40% of $199 is $90 a month straight to your account for literally just referring the person. So this affiliate program also does very well. I recommend go and choose either one of these and stick to it and use the strategy that I'm about to show you. Once you've chosen a product, you can come down to the bottom of either one of these websites. So for example, builderall.com will have a part of an affiliate tab on the bottom over here. Just open this up in a new tab. You can scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page. If you want to work out what you can earn, they actually have a live calculator over here. So you can type in maybe goals that you want to have with this affiliate program. So for example, if you want to make 100 sales a year, and how many of those people can become affiliates, let's say 5 of them, at 100 people per year, you're going to be earning $2,157 every single month. Let's say your goal is 1,000 people per year. That is now $21,000 every single month of just 1,000 people. So this is a great tool to go and calculate your goals. But in order to go and sign up as an affiliate, right down at the bottom of the affiliate page, they've got 2 options. You can either become a Builderall customer. So if you have a Builderall package, you become an affiliate automatically. If you don't, you can apply to become a Builderall solo affiliate. But if you want to become a Builderall customer, because what a lot of the time I do is I build funnels in Builderall to promote Builderall. I've actually got a checkout down for you guys below in the second link in this video to go and get Builderall completely for free for your first 14 days. So there you automatically become an affiliate. Or if you want to go and sign up as an affiliate for yourself, you can come over to affiliates.builderall.com, option number 2, and you can apply over here. Kartra, you just need to scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page, click on affiliate program over here. Again, if you have a Kartra package, you automatically become a Kartra affiliate. So Kartra has a $1 14-day trial which you can get on the plans page. If you want to apply to be an affiliate, come over to the affiliates page over here and just fill out all of this information. And both of your affiliate links to the home pages of Kartra and Builderall will be on their relative dashboards. One of the easiest ways to really go and build your email list with this is if you come over to a website called 7daysbuyer.com and you click on order now over here. Take a look at this. For just 200 clicks on your affiliate link, which then from there you can go and build your email list. And both Kartra and Builderall have their own email marketing campaigns and email marketing automation tools, which you can use. And for 100 clicks, you need to pay $33. For 500 clicks, $150. And for 1,000 clicks will cost you $280. By paying these solo ads experts, you can go and copy and paste all of these clicks into your email list over here. This does look quite pricey, especially as a beginner that is starting off with very little money. So an easy way to go and get started with this is if you come over to a website called classifiedads.com. I've personally used this website to get a lot of free traffic. That's classifiedads.com over here. You can go and click on post a free ad and you can go and post ads in various different categories. So for example, we can do job opportunities. We can offer people IT jobs, designing websites, funnels, etc. within Builderall. And this way you can get a lot of signups to your Builderall affiliate link through your ads. And a website like classifiedads.com does get a lot of quality traffic. So if I come over to a website called similarweb.com, with over 40% of the traffic to this website coming from top tier countries, being the United States and Korea over here. So this is a great website, again, to go and post ads, free ads, to get a lot of signups and a lot of clicks to your affiliate link, or if you want to go and create your own bridge page with an opt-in page that builds your own email list. So there's various ways that you can go about this. You can then, once you've gotten a couple of signups and earned a bit of revenue from the free strategy, which might take some time, you can come over to 7daysbuyer.com and you can order paid clicks over here. You can also come over to a website called udemy.com. That's UDIMI. You can also buy a whole bunch of solo ads here. And all of these people over here have massive high quality email subscriber lists where you can pay them for them to send out emails to their own subscriber list, which then they get tons of clicks, leads, followers, buys off of your affiliate link or off to your bridge page where you build your own email list. So for example, I like to go and choose anybody that has higher than a 55% success rate. So over here you can see this person has 66%. So let's go and choose his solo ad platform here. If you want to go and get, for example, 300 clicks at 47 cents per click, if you want to go and get 525 clicks, also at 47 cents a click, 1,000 clicks, you can start off small at 150 clicks. Here's your price over here. You can go and pay, and this is the amount of clicks or signups that you will get to your affiliate link or to your bridge page over here. The best way I recommend go about this is create your bridge page, which I'm going to give you a free tutorial on at the end of this video, and then link up that bridge page to your affiliate link where your leads actually have to give you their username and email. And that way you can plug in email sequences to re-promote and get tons of sales off your emails. So what I'm going to do is to really help you out in scaling with a business model like this. This is one of my favorite business models out there. You've got nothing to lose with this. So I'm going to give you an entire playlist on the screen over here. One over here on Builderall, one over here on Kartra, so you've got both on whichever one you chose from this video, on how to build forms, how to build funnels, how to build email sequences, how to get free email templates, your own campaigns done for you with different strategies like this. So I recommend go and choose one of these playlists over here, or open up both of them in two separate tabs. Have a look if you prefer Builderall or Kartra. And you can go and choose one and follow either all of these strategies. So make sure to go and choose one of these playlists over here, and I'll see you over there.